When you think about distributive property, think about distribution. Distribution companies take things out. So we may have this big Coca-Cola plant and their distribution trucks will take it and distribute it to all the different stores around. So whenever you're thinking about distributing, you need to take something outside your parentheses and we are going to distribute it or multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. So we usually talk about the fishing method, and the reason why we call it that is because we have these little, it's like a little fishing line. I usually put an arrow on mine. I don't know why. That's just something my teacher did whenever I was in school. And we're going to multiply your coefficient. So we're taking the two numbers, the two constants, and we're multiplying them by each other. And we're keeping the variable the same. So 4 times 2 is 8 because 2 has an x with it, or 8 also has an x. So this is actually 4 times 2x is 8x. We have 4 times positive 7g is positive 28g. We have positive 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. It's really important to say positive and negative so you can keep up with what sign you need, because positive 4 times positive 7 is positive 28. A lot of times I'll see kids that just put the 28g down. They don't put anything in between it, and it just changes your whole thing. If you have 8x 28g 12, that's something totally different. This is not okay, so you need to make sure that you put your operations in there as well. Sometimes we will see a distributive property that doesn't really look like distributive property. You know, because you're multiplying something outside parentheses to inside parentheses. People see the negative sign, they don't think anything about it, but that's actually a negative 1. So we need to distribute a negative 1 to everything inside your parentheses. So I have negative 1 times a positive 3p is negative 3p. And a negative 1 times a negative 5r is a positive 5r. And that's it.